We are. Oh yes,
You
I
ready,
know
Jeff?
I am. Push. Oh, shove.
What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to drop the drivetrain in our frame of our second gen Rams mud truck to show truck semen build. I'm out here at Jeff's Auto Body and Customs, and we have the crew out here. We got Jeff and we got Big John. And here is the drivetrain that we are going to drop in today. So let me take you around and show you that. Here it is right here. We already have the tranny bolted up to the engine, as you see. And in the last video, here are the engine mounts that we had to cut and trim to get them to fit. But don't worry about that. This will be all okay once we get it all up there. It'll all fit in nice and neat. But if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Let me get things set up here on the tripod, and I want you guys to sit back and enjoy the show. This might just be like three monkeys playing football with a coconut. All right, what we got here, we did get the engine and tranny up on top of the frame, and we have our motor mounts installed. And what we did was put a little bit of Vaseline on the motor mounts, so this way it will slide right into the engine mounts is right into the motor mounts on the frame. So we're gonna wrestle this in.
Ready?
Yeah, where do you want me at?
Anywhere. Push.
Go slow.
Okay, hold it. Back to you a little, Jeff. Right there.
Hang it. You want me to put this?
Back forward.
Forward?
Back to me. Nope.
That should be good right there.
Right there. I'm gonna be on the other side across, remember? Oh, shove.
Are we going right down into the training mount?
Yep.
Alright, we're close.
Okay, Jeff, ease it down. We're gonna line the transmission up and then do the motor mounts.
Okay, back, down, slow, back, down. Are we? The one side down. We should be.
We're down.
We're in the training mounts.
Okay.
Alright, we just have to do this, the front.
This has to
Then we
go
just
back
gotta come
forward, right? Where's
forward.
the bag of nuts?
Right here.
Slide them two nuts on there, just loose.
We'll have to hold these in.
Yeah.
Now we have to go back forward, right?
Yeah, we
I
got
can't get these on all the way
That's
because
all right, that's all right, we need it
they
loose.
have paint on it.
that sleeve, so we'll go forward.
Okay, ready? Let's push this back.
We're close there now.
There we go.
Why don't we get this side in first, Joe, because we're close.
That side slow, lower.
All right.
Watch, just push the bolt in. The
Up ahead.
there you
There
go.
we go.
We gotta come forward with this.
Ease it down here.
Your finger there.
Mm-hmm. Give me some of the bolt. Send some of the bolt my way. There you go.
Ease it down.
Got it.
I'm in.
I'm in on this side. It's gonna slide down.
Okay, let me get the other side.
As long as that goes in the slot, Joe, we'll be all
Yeah, I
right.
think it will.
Alright.
Ease it down.
I'm in the slot.
Okay,
Hang
hang on.
on.
Set it down. Yours is in over there, Joe?
Yep.
So's mine.
Go. Easy as that.
Well, everyone, it didn't take long for us to drop the drivetrain into this. So we're gonna cut for lunch
I'm hungry.
because lunch just showed up here, and then we're gonna bring you back in here and do a little walk around. We're gonna disconnect the chain and show you what it looks like. So I'll see you here after lunch. lunch break is over with, and we did manage to get the engine hoist unchained from the engine and the drivetrain of the project truck. And as you can see, we also added a few more accessories. So here is a big thing that I don't think I let you guys in on what we were going to do, but we also added headers to it. So after lunch, we did a little bit more of putting some stuff on. We got the starter on and stuff like that. But let me show you exactly what we did here and why we actually put the Vaseline on the engine mounts to get it to slide in. And I'll show you right here what we did there. Right here on the engine mounts, we put Vaseline, we coated Vaseline on all this. So when it fell in, or when we lowered it, it slid right in between the brackets on the frame. And as you can see, we also put the starter in. So coming around here. And to you builders out there, know that when you're getting into a build like this, you have one thing that you just keep forgetting to do, and it just keeps going on and on until you get to that one point to where you need to do it. Well, our Achilles heel was a header stud, and that was right there. And as you can see, that we needed to heat that up. After all, we just kept that's just something we kept putting it off, but we only have 2 bolts on this side of the headers. So we are going to clean all this up, respray it, and then put the headers back on it. But we need to let that cool off, and we're pretty much will beat for today. But this is what the project truck is looking like now, with the frame all painted up. And the engine and the tranny back in her. And I'll just give you a little walk around here to the other side, show you guys what the other side looks like, and then we'll show you the oil pan area and stuff like that to give you a little update on what that looks like. And as you can see, we did color match the transmission, the overdrive, the transfer case to the engine block. And we do have another transmission pan, a new one to put in there. And go up underneath here, and here's what the underside will look like. And as you can see, we also did the stainless steel bolts in the oil pan. And we are going to be replacing the transmission pan with a new one, which we have that. And we're just a little bit tired right now, so we're going to put that off till next time we all get together. So overall, the amount of time for us to drop the drivetrain in the frame like this, believe it or not, we looked at the video clip, took us 3 minutes and 45 seconds to do this. A lot easier when we were doing the build rather than doing it with the cab on. And of course, as you know, this is our mud truck to show truck SEMA build project vehicle out here at Jeff's Auto Bodies and Customs. I could say, the truck is actually coming around beautiful. Well guys, if you are new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Ring that notification bell so you guys can stay posted when I do the videos. Well, till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll at Wicked Fabz.